Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions and welcome to the tutorial for the LSP Liquid Metallics Paint On Photoshop Actions. These actions are designed for full Photoshop and Photoshop Creative Cloud only. If you've got Photoshop elements, you're going to get error messages because they make use of the full features in the full range of Photoshop. So if you have elements, I recommend you either download Creative Cloud or you can get a free trial over on the Adobe website. So after downloading from the LSP Actions website, you're going to want to go ahead and open up Photoshop, open up your images. I've got this great one here by Cynthia from Rocket Photography. And then you're going to want to go into your downloads folder and open up the LSP Liquid Metallics Paint-Ons action. This is an ATN file. You can drag and drop this into Photoshop or you can double click and it will be installed into your action panel. If at any point you have trouble downloading and installing the actions, you can visit the LSP Actions website at lsp-actions.com and watch the specific installation videos and guides. If you can't see your action panel, come up here to where it says Window and hit Actions. The Liquid Metallics will appear right at the bottom of your action panel. If your action panel is free floating or perhaps it's sat up here, I recommend grabbing the tab and dragging it out, grabbing again and just nestling in on the side until you get the blue line pop up and all your actions will appear down in one line. You can see I've got lots of actions here. I have actually cleaned out my action palette recently. It was much bigger. If you're on grey mode, you can click on any of the actions. You have liquid gold, liquid silver, liquid bronze, can't talk, tongue twisters, liquid rose, and then liquid colour, which is any colour you like. These are designed for giving a metallic finish. So let's go ahead and play liquid gold. If you're on grey mode, you can click on the action and hit the play button. If you're on coloured button mode, you can just click on the action and it will play out for you. So the action is played, it's super quick, and it leaves you with a layer in your layers panel and a layer mask. For these actions, you don't necessarily have to have your layers panel open, but I do recommend it. So come up to Window and choose Layers if you can't see your layers panel. The layer mask means the action is hidden, the layer is hidden. Sorry, let's just close the actions for a minute there. So you see here you have a very gold looking layer, but it's hidden because the mask is all black and that means hide. A white brush will have been selected for you. I recommend normal brush mode, 100% opacity, and let's bump the flow up a little bit too. Make your brush nice and hard, a nice hard normal soft round brush. Let's just bring that up a little bit and whichever size you need. These actions work best on mid-tone areas, so if it's too dark or too white, they're not going to show too much as normal gold would, you know, if it's too black or too white. So what shall we make gold? How about this sack over here? So I'm just going to grab the brush, set to white, and start painting the gold colour on. You see this really adds quite a realistic metallic and very, very fun gold overlay that you can add to any areas of your image just by painting it on. You can go through and change the size of your brush regularly. You can switch to black to hide any areas you don't want to show. You can do that by clicking here, the little colour switcher icon which chooses the colour for your brush, or you can hit X on your keyboard. So I'm just going to take some of that off here, just dabbing it in as you can see from the brush clicks. So we've changed the bag to gold. Okay, so onto this image, beautiful image shot by Anna Brandt. How about liquid colour you pick? And when the colour box pops up, you can choose any colour you like. Let's hit continue here and hit OK. Now the gift is already red, so how about we go for a metallic red? So we're already just reddening up what's already there. Sometimes you don't need to completely change the colour, you just need to go with what you've already got. So I'm just coming over with the brush. And now with a black brush to take off any overspill. In fact, we could keep the ribbons the same, couldn't we? They don't need to be red. So now we've gone from normal red to a glitzy, shiny red. You see that? A subtle but very eye-catching difference. How about we add some gold to the ribbon? I'm going to shrink my brush back down. And grabbing a hard white brush, let's make the ribbon gold. Now I'm coming over the edges a little bit, but that's okay because I can simply come back in and delete. We transformed that gift from a kind of a washed out burlap to beautiful red and gold. How about these gifts here? Should we make them metallic? I'm going to grab a white brush and just come and brush on liquid gold. You also have liquid silver, liquid bronze, you have the liquid rose gold in there. So you have you can have choose your own. So if you wanted to go for that amazing 90s, you know, colourful wrapping paper where it was very, very foil-like, you know, that works really well on the choose your own if you're going for something a little bit fun and nostalgic. If you have ornaments, if you have, you know, candle holders, anything like that, you could go ahead and you could change them. Let's just get that whole wrap in there. It literally is just as simple as click and paint in white, and if you don't want it to show, just switch to black and erase it out again. How about we go for liquid silver? So the action is just playing out again. It takes a few seconds. How about we change this one here to silver? And this one, too much fun. I'm going to play liquid colour, you pick, so you can pick your own colour, and let's go for a kind of a real foil metallic red for these bows. So OK on this one, change to a red and hit OK, and then you can grab your brush and you can paint this on any of the areas. So we're coming over and I'm painting a little bit of metallic red onto these ribbons. Be very careful with a little brush. And anywhere I've gone over the edge, just switch to black and erase it. How about some baubles on the tree? We could use, let's go for bronze. And now we can paint this on anyway we like to be bronze. So you can see I'm just painting the little baubles here, giving that extra little bit of shine. Could change all of them or just some of them. And it just adds that beautiful metallic tone, because this year at Christmas, everything is about the metallics, about the shine, about the pure, lovely, shiny gorgeousness. Literally add anything. You can add tiny little elements of this, or you can go to town and paint whole areas metallic in your image. It's a really handy little tool to have in your digital arsenal and your kit bag. Anytime you need to make something metallic looking, you can do so just in a click and a little bit of painting. So yeah, I'm being terribly sloppy when I'm coming to painting, but then you can switch to a black brush and you can just come in a little bit. Let's pick our own metallic colour for one of these again. Let's go for liquid colour, you pick. So it's just going to play out and it'll come up with a colour popper box. How about we go for like a liquid metallic blue? So I'm going to bring that up to the blues, hit OK. And let's go for this one. So you're getting that real 90s foil there now. It's gone from a paper gift wrap to 90s foil in just a little bit of painting. It's just too much fun. There we go. You can see the little elements here that we've added the colour to. Pop! Metallics! I love it! These actions are a really great addition to your digital arsenal when editing your Christmas shots and mini sessions. And you can get these over at lsp-actions.com. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.